Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 11. So this week we are going to be learning about business cards. So as always, it's set up the same way. You will always have these 4 folders. So you're right here before you begin. You are in this video right here. So we're going to go over your checklist. Remember, you do not have to take anything and post it to me with this checklist. This is solely for you so that it keeps you on track. It helps you manage your workload. So you do not have to print this. You do not have to send this to me or anything. This is just for your knowledge. So it tells you up here, you can check them off as you do them. This is your intro to week 11. On Monday at 11, we will be doing a live version of this exact video. Assignment 1, 2, and 3. And then on Wednesday, we will have a voluntary virtual meeting that will do something technology related in. As I told you in the past, every other week is vocabulary week. This is our vocabulary week. It switches with typing. And this week, our vocabulary is all about the ribbons that go across the top of Word, all of the toolbars, etc., that are there, so that we can so you can understand what you need to do, where you need to go for it, etc. This is the stuff about the face-to-face meeting. And then you have your objectives. Okay, so assignment 1 is going to be about business cards. So business cards, as I tell you in the intro video, is basically a way for people to give a reminder to other people about their business and about their names, etc. Because a lot of times in business, people meet a lot of people. The other reason is that business cards are great as a reminder for you to go somewhere to do something, etc. They're small, they're easy to get to. Now, within Word, they have a template, which is something that they've already made it look nice, so on and so forth. And that's what we're going to use on this. We're not going to start from scratch yet. I want you to understand what a business card is before I have you actually do all of the things needed to create one. A very cool point is that for every 2,000 cards that someone passes out to their about their business grows about 2.5%. So that's really a great number when you are trying to build your business. So what this one's a little different because I am not doing the tutorial. In all of the past ones, I have done the tutorial. Now, I feel that you guys need to be able to learn from more than just my style of teaching. Every teacher has their own style. So I want you to be able to learn from someone else. So the tutorial that I have up there is not me. So you are going to follow it. Now, in the past, students have told me that the tutorial is a little fast for them. My 2 recommendations to you is to slow it down in YouTube and also to turn on the closed captioning so you can follow the words. Do not feel bad if you stop it a lot, because you're going to stop it a lot. You're making it about an intense bike trail, And here's the information just like I've given you in the past. And then on the bottom of the assignment are the 2 graphics that she uses in the business card. You're going to save it as Q2 assignment 5, A5, and submit it in assignment 1. And also you need to put it in OneDrive in your quarter 2 folder. You can either do it now or you can do it when I tell you, probably right before progress reports. Assignment 2 is going to be taking what you learn in assignment 1 and recreating something. So what you are going to do is you are going to recreate a business card about your favorite app. So you're going to figure out what is your favorite app. You have to go find their logo, address, phone number, and email. If you cannot find it, you can make it up. And you are going to save it as Q2A6, quarter 2, assignment 6, and put it on OneDrive and submit it in Schoology. Okay? And then the last thing you're going to do is vocabulary. There are 2 different links for you to go and study for. And this one is the matching and everything that will give you the list. And this one, instead of being Hangman, is Battleship. So hopefully you guys know how to play Battleship. And so you're going to play Battleship against the computer. And once you are ready for this, then you will take the test. You get to take it 1 time. There are no redos, so please be careful when you go to take it. Make sure you don't close out. Make sure that you allot enough time to stay there, etc. Okay, so with all that being said, I hope you are having a wonderful week. Please message me if you need any help. And look for the extra credit given by all of the teachers so that you will submit pictures for Spirit Week. Because even though we're at home, we still need to have spirit. So, have a wonderful week, and I will see you guys soon.